So welcome back. In my last video, I mentioned about a checkbox where the command is when we click on checkbox, when it's checked and we click on sign up, it takes us to next window or next page. But then it came to my mind that what happens if we have more conditions, if we have more checkboxes, just like many websites. So in such case, let me first create some more checkboxes. I will just copy this one, paste this one again. Let's just call it I agree to more terms and conditions. It should be conditions. And it should also be conditions. I agree to even more terms and conditions. And let me rename it to checkbox. The first one was 3. This one is 4. So now again, as I told you, we will be using if and formula. Now the syntax of if and formula is first you type if, and then there is, you know what, let me first write it in. Okay, just comments. So now our conditions should be that if checkbox 1, this is checkbox 2, checkbox 3, and checkbox 4. If these 3 are checked, then then our sign up button should work. So we will write if, and then we will write and and so basically how Power Apps works is that you see the first option here. If you click on tab from your keyboard, it would take the first value that is in the suggestions box. So I will click on tab and it will take the first value, and then I will type my first condition. So my first condition is if checkbox 1. So basically checkbox, not 1, but checkbox 2. So I will again press the tab button, checkbox 2 is selected, and then I will give the second command, checkbox 3. Then I will move to checkbox 4. Where is checkbox? Oh, checkbox 4. So if these are selected, I will close the bracket, and then what should they do if it's true? If all these values are true, then our button should help us navigate. So we should navigate to our success screen. Success screen. That's it. And we actually don't have to write the results. What should it do if the values are false? Well, basically, if we don't type it here anything, that means that the button is not going to do anything. So we will simply close, and now the cross is gone. That means that our formula is good and it should be working. Now let's test it. So I will first click on sign up. It's not doing anything, you see. Now I will click on both, and then I will click on sign up. Voila, it's working now. What happens if I just click on first two? It's again not doing anything. That means that our formula is working. So basically this is how you can use if and formula. Okay,